Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to change your location in Bumble app. So let's get started. At first, let's go to the app Bumble. We need to use mobile number here. So let's go for mobile number and type your number here. And to verify, we need to get a code. So let's click on OK. So here it is. Now we have to enable the location. Here we need to give similar pose and take a photo, and our photo here and our profile picture should be matching. Then click on take my photo. Now click your photo. So now we are in Bumble interface. Now to change the location, at first we need to go to this profile icon in the bottom left corner and click on the setting icon in the right top. Now we need to click on complete my profile. You can see this location icon in my basics. So let's tap on this and click on update. Now you can change your location. Let's keep it Viratnagar and it's done. So this is all you need to do to update your location in Bumble. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.